What's up guys? We're back in the mix with a new breakfast recipe that's as easy to make as the original. Just as quick, if not quicker, and has equally as much protein. So let's jump right into it. Question for you all. How often do you make recipes with protein powder? Once a week? Multiple times? Never? Drop it below in the comments. I'm curious. To start this one, you'll need either 1, if you hate the texture of cottage cheese, a blender or food processor, or 2, if you don't mind the texture, a mixing bowl. Add into whatever you're using, 4 large whole eggs and half a cup of cottage cheese. Mix, blend, or process those together. You can use full, reduced, or fat-free. Either will work, so use whichever one works with your macros that day. I'll post the full nutritional breakdowns for each on the website, along with metric conversions for every ingredient, other tips and substitutes, which is always linked up here or below in the description. From here, place a stovetop pan or griddle over medium heat and coat whatever you're using with some cooking spray. Pour in your mix once it heats up and keep everything moving while breaking it up until you reach your desired egg salad consistency. Remove it from the heat and put it into a mixing bowl. Add in 2 stalks of chopped up celery, 1/4 a cup of chopped up red onion, 1/3 a cup of plain Greek yogurt, 2 teaspoons of mustard, 1/4 a teaspoon of dried dill, 1/4 a teaspoon of dried parsley, 1/4 a teaspoon of paprika, a pinch of salt, and a 1/4 a teaspoon of black pepper. Give everything a light mix and choose how you're going to eat it. In the end, it should look like this. Couple tips for this. Number 1, eat it by itself with crackers on some lettuce or as a sandwich filling. Number 2, switch up the texture or flavor with add-ins like pickles, bell peppers, olives, jalapenos, avocado, fresh herbs, or your favorite seasonings. And number 3, store it in the fridge where it should last around 3 to 5 days. The winner for our last Testing Your Guesstimating was bang! Congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're gonna go with this much cottage cheese. Drop how much you think it weighs in grams in the comments below. The closest one to it will win either a shirt or shaker. 1 guess per person. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more quick ideas like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.